In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Gmail confidential mode. Gmail's confidential mode is designed to give you more control over how your emails are viewed and shared, but sometimes you might turn it on by accident or realize later that you don't actually need those extra restrictions. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to turn it off for an email you're composing and what to look out for as you do it. First, open Gmail in your browser and start by opening the email where confidential mode is currently enabled. This could be a new message you're composing, a reply, or a forward. If you're already in the middle of writing the email, just make sure that message window is active on your screen so you can make changes to its settings. Inside the compose window, look towards the bottom of that email. You'll see a row of icons like the attachment clip, the formatting options, and so on. When confidential mode is turned on, you'll also see a small indicator for it. In many cases, this appears as a bar or section that mentions things like expiration dates or restrictions on forwarding, copying, printing, or downloading. That's your clue that confidential mode is active for this email. To disable it, look for the small X associated with that confidential mode section. This is usually found on the right side of the bar or box that describes the confidential settings. Click on that X. You're not deleting your email, you're just telling Gmail you no longer want this message to be treated as confidential. As soon as you click the X, Gmail may show you some on-screen prompts. These prompts could confirm that you're turning confidential mode off, or explain what will change once it's disabled. For example, it might let you know that the recipient will now be able to forward, copy, print, or download the email like a normal message. Carefully read any message that appears so you fully understand what's happening. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. This might mean clicking a confirm or save button, or simply closing the prompt once you've reviewed it. After that, take a quick look at the compose window again. The confidential mode bar or notice should be gone. If it is, that means confidential mode has been successfully disabled for this email, and it will behave like a standard Gmail message when you send it. Once you're happy with everything, you can continue editing your email and send it as usual.